Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log out from your account on Disney+. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in disneyplus.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official website for Disney+. Now if you are already logged into your account, you will see the logout button at the top right corner. Go ahead and tap on logout and you will be logged out from your account right away. If you wish to log back in, you can tap on the login button at the top right corner, and you can also create a new account by tapping on sign up now. Once you tap on login, you will be asked to enter your credentials once again in order to continue logging back into your account if you wish to do so. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log out from your account on Disney+. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.